How to install website on your Android phone. First of all, you have to access your Google Chrome. Now in the URL just type unboxsmile.com. Wait for few seconds to open the website. Now after upload the website, scroll up and scroll down. At the bottom of phone you can see add unboxsmile.com to home screen. Just click it. Now a option will be appear, install. Click on install. After clicking the install, after some time you will be able to see your website, your app icon on your Android phone. Wait for few seconds or few minutes to upload complete website on your phone. Now you can see unboxsmile.com app on your Android phone. Just click it and use it. Thank you very much.